Fibromyalgia. Introduction. Which one of the following statements is true? Choose one of the following options. 1. Fibromyalgia is chronic. 2. Fibromyalgia is contagious. 3. Fibromyalgia is fatal. 4. Fibromyalgia is temporary. Correct. Fibromyalgia is chronic, which means it is an ongoing condition and not temporary. All of the following are symptoms of fibromyalgia. Which one is the most common symptom? Choose one of the following options. 1. Dizziness. 2. Irritable bladder. 3. Irritable bowel syndrome. 4. Muscle fatigue and pain. Correct. The most common symptom of fibromyalgia is pain and fatigue in the muscles and tendons. Poor sleep is a common symptom of fibromyalgia. Select true or false. Correct. There is a blood test to diagnose fibromyalgia. Select true or false. Correct. There are no laboratory tests to diagnose fibromyalgia. Which of the following cannot be achieved with medication for treating fibromyalgia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Cure the disease. 2. Reduce pain. 3. Relax muscles. 4. Treat chemical imbalances. Correct. Fibromyalgia cannot be cured, but symptoms can be managed. Which of the following reasons is why complementary medicine is sometimes viewed as controversial? Choose one of the following options. 1. Practitioners are not licensed. 2. There is no consensus on the effectiveness of therapies. 3. It does not help patients. Correct. Not everybody agrees on the results of research regarding the effectiveness of complementary medicine. Thank you for using Explain.